Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a all matte eye makeup look, which is something that I am so not used to. I love shimmers, so this is a little bit of a challenge for me, but I had a good time doing it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. As you can see, I already have my foundation and concealer and contour and all that stuff on. So I'm gonna go in with the eyes. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to take the Carli Bybel and BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to use the lightest shade that's in there. Using that same brush, I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Morphe palette. I'm gonna use this brown right here. And I'm gonna put this right above the crease, so I'm like kind of creating my crease. And I actually like to move that up into like my brow a little bit, right at the front corner. I feel like it helps make the nose contour all look nice and seamless. So I'm gonna use this color right here, right underneath what we just did. Now I'm like in the outer corner crease. Now I'm going to use the reverse side of that brush and put that in an even darker shade. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm just taking that in the outmost part of my corner and just tapping it in, adding just a little bit of dimension there. So now I'm going to put a little bit of this Age Rewind concealer on the back of my hand, put a little bit on my lid because I want the next color that I put here to pop. I'm going to use this pretty peachy color in the Carli Bybel palette. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush to blend everything together. Now I'm going to do the bottom lash line. I'm going to start with this brown right here. Then I'm going to take this brown right here. And finally, I'm going to take that darkest brown that I ended up using right here. Concentrate this color on the outermost point to connect my wing. I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this. So now I'm going to move on to liner and lashes. For my bottom waterline, I'm going to use this pencil by Wander Beauty. And it is like a skin color pencil that makes your eyes look brighter when you put it on your bottom waterline. For my top eyeliner, I'm using the TARTEIST Double Take Eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my highlight. Today I'm using Magnolia MedSpa's highlight. I am beyond obsessed. It's like the perfect color. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Lilly lashes in the style Luxe. I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara on the top and bottom. For lips, I'm going to use the color Pure Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm obsessed with this one, especially for brides. I love this color for brides. And of course, never forget your setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay All-Nighter. Woo, feels good. And this is the final look. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am still offering $20 off a makeup service. If you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Very easy things to do for $20 off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.